or another. Jennifer, please calm down.
I don't carry that, Coco. So you people is right, Tifa.
I know you guys remember Toyosi from Jennifer's Diary. Toyosi, Toyo Baby, full name Juliana Olayode Oluwatobiloba. Born May 24th, 1994, she wrote an apology letter on her Instagram page to Funke Akindele, the producer of Jennifer's Diary. You know, when they had the issue that made Toyo Baby to leave Jennifer's Diary in the early season, we all thought that Funke Akindele, or should I say, some people rumored it that Funke Akindele was at fault. But she came on Instagram to apologize, and she stated the reason why she left in the first place. She began her acting career in 2009 when she was barely 15 years old. She scored her breakout role as Toyo Baby Toyosi in Jennifer's Diary 2011. She said she made a lot of mistakes, and she told us the person behind her decision in leaving Jennifer's Diary. This was what she wrote on her Instagram page 17 hours ago. She wrote, "As a teenager, my career in the mainstream entertainment industry started where many people who have put in years of hard work could only dream of. How could a neophyte even start from the mainstream if not for a miracle? In my own case, the mercy of God and unmerited favor was evident. I broke into the industry by playing a friend and co-lead with the screen goddess who had put in decades of hard work into limelight. It was a shocker for me, especially at that tender age, when I had barely left secondary school. The kind of fame I earned from playing Toyosi in Jennifer's Diary was too enormous for my understanding. However, the lack of industry nitty-gritty started manifesting in me, coupled with the fact that I had a guardian, my manager, who didn't understand how the entertainment industry works, and I believed everything he feels and says. My guardian sent an email to Scene One TV, the producers of the sitcom, which entire content I wasn't aware of until recently. The story of my goofs at the takeoffs of my career cannot be exhausted in a million words. I want to use this opportunity to apologize to Auntie Funke Akindele. I am incredibly sorry for how I hurt you and how the email that was sent to you hurt you. Please forgive me for my childish mistake of the past. I am deeply sorry for everything. I love you eternally, Auntie Funke." And she also said, "I just feel the burden to make this official. It's not an attempt for people to help me beg her. I have met Auntie Funke. She has forgiven me. She hugged me, prayed for me, cooked for me like she used to in those good old days. Jollof rice, elemi meji, fried rice and sweet chicken. I am her baby forever. She is such a sweet soul. The good days are back and you should probably anticipate. I love you all. Thank you." So those were her words on Instagram. So as if she was trying to hint us that she's going to star in one of her movies that we should anticipate, or she's going to feature in maybe a movie that has to do with Funke Akindele, maybe not in Scene One production. We do not know yet, but she asked us to anticipate. So what I think about this is it's good that she actually asked for forgiveness. I mean, coming to public to tell us the reason why, that it was her manager that actually sent an email on her behalf, and she didn't know the content of the email until recently. And then when she found that, she had to do the needful by apologizing to Funke Akindele. And also Funke Akindele also replied her in the comment section in a way that you wouldn't even think they were even quarreling or had issues before now. Funke Akindele wrote in the comment section, "My Juliana, with love emoji, I miss you, I will bite you. Omo me, I love you. See you soon. This also confirms that they are planning to star in a movie together. If Toyosi hadn't left Jennifer's Diary when she did, I believe she would have gone far in featuring in so many movies Funke Akindele produced after Jennifer's Diary. We really can't wait to see the both of them in the new movie they asked us to anticipate for. My name is Sharon Izibili. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my channel to check out other celebrities I talked about also. Please do like, drop a comment. See you guys in my next video.